for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high-five that subscribe button and you high-five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called the Shootout. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of the Shootout. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity, how you would modify it. If you enjoyed this virtual lesson, please drop a comment down below. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.